So today I've made some improvement. I changed the position of the subwoofer box. So the speakers are now facing the seats, so the interior of the car. Because everything is moving so much, I've had to cable tie this wall that holds the amplifier to make sure it's not falling onto the amplifier, because as you see now it is very close to it and we don't want it to touch. At the minute it's not touching, but we are close to it, so basically yeah, we need to take more precautions. I'll show you how it looks in the back. It's going to be like this, so this cable is going to go up here, something like that, and yeah, it's going to have to, well, it's nearly the same position, but it's different way around. It's just facing forward and that's it. Yeah, so I'll pack it all up and let's go to the testing area, because I'm not going to do it here, because every time I turn it up people are coming out wondering what's going on, but seriously it's like an earthquake. So yeah, see you in a bit.